How to insert watermark in PDF file. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the browser. Okay, the method is a very simple. We are going to use the online tools. So first, come to any browser. I am using the Chrome. Just come to the any search engine and uh, type insert watermark in PDF. Then you can see the lot of website will come up here, and you can use any tools, but I'm using these tools or website, which is very helpful. And just open it, which is I love PDF. And here we need to select the file from your device. Just click on it and select the file from your device. I have select this one. I have 4 pages on this PDF file. Okay, just open it, and it will be open here. And here you can see the two option. You can place image as a watermark, and you can place text as a watermark. So I'm going to show you the text. So type your watermark text. Here you can change the font size, and you can change, like you can make the bold. You also change the color of that watermark text. Here you can select the position, like middle, left, right, bottom, up, corner. Okay, or you can use also this option, which is mosaic. And here you can see, select the transparency. You can use 50 or 25%. Rotate, you can, okay, do not rotate, whatever. If you want to rotate like this, then you need to use these 45 degrees to rotate. And from which page you want to insert a watermark, so select that page number. So you can see this sample watermark has shifted here. So I have select from 2 to 4, and you can select the layer. You can select the over the PDF content or below the PDF content. So I select this one, add the PDF. Okay, now you need to just hit that button. Now you need to download that PDF from here. It will be download. Now you open it, and here you can see I have opened this file. You can see this watermark has been inserted. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.